In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate the Zoho CRM app into your daily routine, ensuring you can manage your business effectively while on the go. Let's dive in and get you acquainted with this powerful tool so you can maximize your productivity. First things first, you'll want to download and install the Zoho CRM app. Depending on your device, head over to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Simply search for Zoho CRM, and once you find it, tap to download and install. This process should only take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Make sure you have enough space on your device to accommodate this helpful productivity tool. With the app successfully installed, go ahead and open it. You'll be prompted to log in using your Zoho CRM credentials. If you're already a Zoho user, this step will be straightforward. Simply enter your username and password, and you'll be granted access to your CRM dashboard. If you're new to Zoho, make sure you've set up your account online before trying to log in via the app. As you enter the app, you'll notice the familiar Zoho CRM interface, complete with all your important modules such as leads, contacts, and deals. Navigating through these modules is intuitive. Simply tap on the relevant module to view detailed lists and manage your data effectively. This structure allows you to swiftly access the information you need no matter where you are. A particularly handy feature of the Zoho CRM app is the search bar. Located at the top of the app, this function allows you to find records quickly. Whether you're searching for a specific lead or a particular contact, simply enter the relevant keywords and Zoho CRM will display your search results in an instant. No more endless scrolling or flipping through files. Everything you need is just a quick search away. On the move, it's essential to be able to add or update records promptly. The Zoho CRM app makes this easy. You can add new records or update existing ones directly within the app, keeping your data current and relevant. Whether it's a new lead, a changed contact detail, or an updated deal stage, making these adjustments is incredibly user-friendly. Communication is also seamless with Zoho CRM. Right within the app, you can use the call or email buttons to reach out to your contacts without having to leave the app. This integration means you're never more than a few taps away from engaging with clients or team members. To stay informed, make sure you enable notifications. This ensures you receive timely updates and critical alerts, helping you keep your finger on the pulse of your business activities. Lastly, remember to sync your data regularly. This is crucial for offline access, ensuring you have all necessary information available even when you're not connected to the internet. Regular syncing keeps your data current and makes life easier when you're out of the office or in areas with limited connectivity.